What started out as 25 whole limes is now 50 half shell carcasses. I did get about 5 cups of lime juice out of the 25. And when you are looking for limes, you may already know this, you want a nice soft lime that's already juicy. I like to roll them and then I use my press. And if it's too hard, it's not gonna give you a lot of juice. So you wanna get your money's worth. So I did get, like I said, I got about 5 cups of juice. So I have my 4-cup container here, went to the top as much as possible. I have a little reserve, and I'm going to be putting this in a large pitcher, add my tequila, the triple sec, the ice, and we are going to be all set to entertain with our friends tonight. I made some homemade salsa. I've got some guacamole. I did buy the guacamole through the store, and we have some chips. One thing I did is I am making up individual bottles of margaritas so that each couple can pour their own. So this already has the lime juice, the triple sec, and the tequila in there. And I will be serving these on ice, and then we'll also have our ice bucket.